The Wisconsin Butter Burger was a recipe I saw on Adam Savage's Tested channel a couple years ago, and it was one I had to recreate. This is my recipe. First of all, you're going to need ground beef. This is, I believe, 90-10 ground chuck. You're also going to need salted butter. I'm going to use the good stuff, Irish butter here. 1 onion. This is another noonday onion here, a sweet onion. I have some white American cheese, some hamburger buns, and a small bit of water. Now for the onions, we're doing just a very, very rough dice here. We're just going to stew these onions in a little bit of butter here. So we don't need a very even dice here. It's going to be stewed for about 20 minutes, so just a very rough dice. We're going to just throw away the roots, throw away the tops, just throw that into a nice pot here. There we go. Dump in a 1/4 cup of water, and I'd say about 1 tablespoon of butter. Put that under low heat. Now we're going to dress the ground beef. We're going to take a piece of parchment paper and use my trick to form perfect patties for burgers. Lay out the parchment paper. There we go. And we're going to take out what I'd say 1 golf ball sized chunk of ground beef. Don't need to measure or weigh, just form 1 golf ball sized chunk. If you know what a golf ball looks like, you can make burgers. Here we go, just pass it back and forth. Yep, that looks like a golf ball to me. Plop it right in the middle of the parchment paper. There we go. And we're just going to fold it over. And then we just press with the heel of your palm. And we form a patty just like that. Press around the edges and make sure it's a nice round shape. And boom, you have formed a hamburger patty. This is technically going to be a little bit thinner than a standard Wisconsin butter burger. This is more like a smash burger, but I prefer smash burgers over thicker burgers. I think smash burgers have better flavor. After about 20 minutes, your onions will be nicely stewed. Go ahead and take that off the burner. I'm going to move my induction cooker over, and we're going to get my favorite cast iron skillet. And we're going to get a little bit of butter, and we're going to toast our buns. Get a small little bit of butter, or you know, Gordon Ramsay would say a knob of butter. Don't know why they call it knobs. I think it has to do something with size of nut or something. I don't know. You have to ask a linguist. I'm not a linguist. Get our buns, put it in the butter, and let that toast. I'm not going to say how long, you're going to have to just watch it. That's the color you want to see. Any more in the burn. There we go. Get the heat off. Next step, we're going to get a little bit more of our softened room temperature butter. I'd say about 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on your preference. And putting it on the top bun, or as burger lingo would call it, the crown of the bun. I'm just going to put it right there. And now I'm going to put a little bit of cooking oil on the skillet, and we're going to let that heat up again. Going to pre-salt the patty. Alright. Now we're going to cook. It's going to be about 90 seconds for each side of the patty here. It's going to be quick. That's why I like cooking smash burgers. They cook really quickly. There we go. right on the skillet there. Make sure it doesn't fold in itself. Alright. Go ahead and season the other side. Flip it over. Now another 90 seconds. Look at that crust there. Now, once you flip it on the other side, you grab a slice of that American cheese. Yeah, look at that crust. A slice of American cheese, let it melt. And after it's done, go ahead and put it on the bottom or the heel of the burger bun. There we go. Make sure you get it all in there. Make sure the patty doesn't fold on itself. There we go. Just turn the cooker off. There we go. And you have to move fast. Get a big spoonful of the stewed onions there. Put it on the patty. Now, that butter should be nice and soft, and go ahead and use the back of a spoon to spread it out. Just like that there. Now, you don't assemble the burger until you're just about to eat it, because the residual heat of the patty and the onions will melt it really quickly. So, right when we're ready to eat it, and then we assemble. Alright, let's eat. Alright, now it's on the top here. Alright, let's get a bite. Now you're gonna watch look at that butter starting to drip. It sort of bastes the burger. Oh my god, that's delicious. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more.